everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Hall and Hitch full cost pricing theory. Two economists, Hall and Hitch, published their paper named Price Theory and Business Behavior in 1939. Purpose of this paper was to know how businesses decide their price and output. And during their research, they interviewed 38 British entrepreneurs and came to conclusion firms decide their price on the basis of full cost principle. So what is a full cost principle? Full cost principle covers average variable direct cost, average overhead cost and normal profit margin. Means according to this principle, whenever we decide our product price, we will consider average variable direct cost plus average overhead cost and normal profit margin. So according to this principle, price is equal to average variable direct cost plus average overhead cost plus normal profit margin. As we know, average variable direct cost simply is our average variable cost, and average variable cost is per unit variable cost. For example, per unit cost of raw material, per unit cost of labor. And average overhead cost is our average fixed cost, and average fixed cost is per unit fixed cost. For example, per unit cost of machinery, per unit cost of tools, equipment, etc. And the normal profit margin simply is our normal profit. So according to this principle, whenever we will decide our product price, we will consider our average variable cost, average fixed cost plus normal profit margin. Suppose our average variable cost is 20 and average fixed cost is 10 and our profit margin is 3. When we add all these three, it will become equal to 33. This 33 will be called our product price, because according to this principle, we will decide our product price by considering average variable cost, average fixed cost plus some amount of normal profit. Now we understand this theory with the help of this diagram. In this diagram, on x-axis we have output and y-axis we have price. Hall and Hitch uses a kinked demand curve to explain their theory. And this DD represents kinked demand curve. As we know, kinked demand curve divided into two segments, DE and ED. DE segment is elastic, which represents area above current price is elastic. And ED segment is inelastic, which represent area below current price inelastic. This is about kinked demand curve. And this red curve represent average cost. According to this theory, price is equal to average variable cost, average fixed cost plus normal profit margin. Usually in average cost, we only include average variable cost and average fixed cost. But in this theory, we assume our average cost is equal to average variable cost, average fixed cost plus some profit margin. Please listen carefully. Usually in average cost, we only include average variable cost and average fixed cost. We don't include profit margin. But in this theory, we assume our average cost is equal to average variable cost, average fixed cost plus some profit margin. This red curve represents average cost, which include average variable cost, average fixed cost plus some profit margin. So our average cost is equal to QE, and we have to decide our price that is exactly equal to our average cost, because our average cost include average variable cost, average fixed cost and some profit margin. And according to this theory, we decide our product price that is equal to average variable cost, average fixed cost and normal profit margin. So our average cost is equal to QE, and we will decide our product price that is exactly equal to QE, and OP is exactly equal to QE. So our current product price will be OP, that is exactly equal to our average cost, and our average cost include average variable cost, average fixed cost and the profit margin. So E will be our equilibrium point, and our equilibrium output is OQ, and our equilibrium is price is OP, that is exactly equal to our average cost. So this is all about Hall and Hitch full cost pricing theory. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.